Samsung is working on a special version of the S25 series, the S25 Slim, expected to launch in mid-2024. This model will be much thinner than the regular S25, potentially as slim as the Galaxy S6 Edge. It's set to compete with the iPhone 17 Slim, which will also debut next year. The S25 Slim was recently listed in the IMEA database with model number SMS 937U, indicating a global release. Reports suggest it may launch in April 2024. The S25 Slim will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip based on the 3nm TSMC process, promising 45% better CPU performance, 44% improved efficiency, and 40% faster GPU speeds. It may have a smaller battery but still offer decent battery life due to the power-efficient chip. Leaks also suggest ultra-level cameras, including a 100 megapixels main camera, ultra-wide, and a periscope shooter. The device will run One UI 7 with new AI features. Expect a premium device with a premium price.